Unity SF. Dam is sibling to 1.55 m horse Hattie a mare. The genetically valuable Denzel van Meulenhof has proven himself as a progenitor of Grand Prix horses with offspring such as Ipstar, Nixon van Meulenhof and Early R. In the pedigree of Unity SF, he is paired with a sibling to the international 155 level performer Hattie a mare, ridden by Maximilian Schmid. Grand Dam Unique a mare has the same dam as the international 150 and 160 level show jumpers Sweetheart, ridden by Todd Minicus, and So Orlando, ridden by Frédéric Lebon. From this direct family also descend the 1.45 m horse Grupo Brom Tarzan.